to you from Bank to Binary's Research and Analysis Center, the Trading Room. Welcome to Ahead of the Week report for July 14th to 18th, 2014. All event times are GMT. A reminder that last week's trading highlight was the release of FOMC minutes. The Fed continued to taper its asset purchases, reducing them by $10 billion. The last spending cut will be $15 billion in October, provided the U.S. economy continues to recover. There are no major market-moving events on Monday, July 14th. France is on holiday with Bastille Day. A medium impact event occurs at 0900 with the EU's industrial production data for May. This is reported on an annual basis with a previous figure of 1.4% and an expected number of 1.1%. On Tuesday the 15th, there are several high-impact events, starting with the Bank of Japan's interest rate decision and press conference. Due to deflation and a weak economy, Japan has kept its interest rates at extremely low levels. The key rate is currently 0% compared to its highest level of 9%. Moving on to the UK at 0830, the government releases the Consumer Price Index for June, reported on an annual basis. Inflation was previously 1.5%, and as the UK economy picks up steam, this indicator is being closely watched for signs of overheating or cooling down. New Zealand has the next trading highlight for the day at 22:45. When the country releases its annual inflation rate for the second quarter, previously recorded at 1.5%. Wednesday the 16th is another brisk day for market-moving events. China's Q2 GDP is released at 2 a.m., expected to be unchanged at 7.4%. At 0830, the UK releases its monthly claimant count change for May, another closely watched indicator of economic health. A reminder that it was previously minus 27.4 thousand. The ILO unemployment rate for May is also released at the same time and was previously 6.6%. At 14:30, Bank of Canada announces its interest rate decision and rate statement. BOC is worried about weak growth in Canada's economy and has kept its key rate at an easy 1%. This has boosted home sales and the number of new homes being built, but the BOC is not expected to increase rates for some time, say analysts. Thursday the 17th headline event is at 0900 when the EU releases annual inflation data for June. It was previously 0.5% and is expected to remain unchanged. A reminder that if there are more signs of deflation, this could impact the euro crosses. Canada is the star on Friday the 18th when it releases inflation data for June at 12:30. On an annual basis, the previous figure was 2.3%, pretty average as inflation numbers go. Bank to Binary analysts also recommend looking out for the monthly figure, which compares May to June. The inflation rate was 0.5% in May. That was Ahead of the Week from Bank to Binary's Trading Room analysis team. Wishing you successful trading, and until next week, goodbye.